Good evening everybody, it's 9:15 on the 13th of June 2020 and fair sunset for ages, and the sun is looking quite red, if you can see through the tree. Right, I'm going to pause it, I'll be back in a more. Right, I'm back, you can see that through the trees there. They look pretty cool that. Right, let's get some eye point then. It looks pretty nice, so I'll say. I think 4 or 5 days since I last did one. It's just rained and rained and rained. It's been absolutely freezing. Yeah, they're coming up and all that. The sun's massive. It's still got a ways to go to set. And all the lockdown's easing. I think it's gone down to a metre now, the social distancing. It's a bleeding joke. Well, I suppose it's in for some people, but that's another video. Right, I'm just going to pause it there and I will be back. I'm just going to see whereabouts it is in this. Get a hat into it anyway. Right, so right, just one more. Right, I'm back. Okay. I think it's 310 degrees. I'm back again. It's a lovely sunset.
Why can't we go and watch it somewhere? We could all, but it's a bit late now. Exactly. So chill. I'll take the time. Why do you think it's the house? Because it's got a huge background gold. Oh yeah. I'd hate to win that. Why? Yeah, same actually. I'd like to get a house or something.
Rescue helicopter taking somebody to the hospital. Guard. And we're taking people to the Hull Royal Infirmary. I'm back to that. I do apologise for the noise. You'll be able to see it going. Let's have a quick skeg, see if you can see the hospital where it's going to. No, but it is coming down because you can see it. It'll probably land at the stadium. Oh no, they've had a new heliport built, so it will land at the heliport behind the hospital. You can't really see it. Right, we'll go back to this beautiful. The sun looks amazing. Well, I hope they're okay wherever it is. And that just looks absolutely amazing. I can't get it any closer. It's a pity it don't show up with some red. I know it looks white, but it is actually red. I'm looking at it, it's red. It looks absolutely beautiful, just slowly. Oops, sorry. Well, I'm saying it's 310 degrees. You just see the top of it now. There we go, you see the red.